Ko tēnei te āpōpō o te whutupōro wahine ki Arataki.
Tonight's all about our girls, up-and-coming girls who are interested in the game of rugby, girls who are already playing the game of rugby, just for them to see how many girls are in the club, just to give us a chance to pass on whatever knowledge we have and just to have some fun with our girls, Show them that rugby is all about having a good time with your mates out on the rugby field.
Tonight's about giving back to our rangatahi, and that's something that we love to do, I suppose. For me, finishing the game of rugby and giving back as much knowledge as I can, and just to help them grow as young women and become Blackferns or whatever it might be.
Kua hui mai ngā toki whutupōro wahine nei, a Renee raua ko PortiaWoodmman ki te karapu whutupōro o Arataki, ki konei hāpai ai I ngā kōhine o te takiwā.
It's really amazing because, they're famous. So then, they teach us a lot of cool stuff because they're very experienced in rugby and they're really nice.
Koia ana ke te kapa kōtiro o te rohe I timata I te tau 2017 me te aha he whakataitai ki ngā kapa tama te mahi.
Yeah, you got it.
To begin with, them playing against boys is quite daunting for them, but I suppose just for us is to show them the micro skills and giving them the courage and the confidence to begin with, which is just breaking the skill right down, to give them the confidence to play against these boys, because naturally they just walk around with a ball anyway. And then just make sure that they're having fun, lots of fun.
At the end of the day, it's up to them. We can give them all the imagery kind of concepts, all the motivation we think that they need, but it comes down to the girls. And a lot of them have it, they just want to beat boys. And I think I was the same too at that age. So a lot of the girls just want to go out there and smash boys, score tries on them and have a lot of fun. The ones that don't quite have that mindset or aren't quite in that zone, it's just about akiaking them into the point that they feel confident in themselves. When they get the ball, they run as hard as they can. If they feel like tackling, they can just jump on the boys. If not, then they're just a part of the team. And I think being there with your teammates, having a good time, whether you win or lose, is all a part of it.
Ahakoa te karapu iti a Arataki me te 230 o ngā tamariki e pūrei ana I tēnei hā kinakina, e kaha ana ngā tīma e toru, e ki ana ki ngā kōtiro anake. He pō whakanuia, he pō kia hāpai I ngā kōtiro, ki runga ki waho I te whira.
Make sure that they have a lot of fun, whatever it might be, if it's starting with rugby and then playing netball or whatever, just enjoying it. What I try and teach these girls is manaakitanga, so rugby is sport, but it's what you do off the field, being respectful and all that sort of stuff, and hopefully these girls can show that to all the younger girls, because that's important as well.
Hei te mutunga mai o te tau, ka tae atu e nei kōtiro ki o tautahi, ki te whakataitai o te motu.
So the under-11s are heading down to Christchurch in September. It's exciting for them, I suppose. First trip for them to be on a plane, so that's exciting, but also just to be able to play some good footy down there and show their skill, I think. I think they're a very skillful young group, and looking forward to seeing what they can produce.
Ko te āwhiro o te toko rua nei, kia whaia e ngā kōhine ārātau ake moemoea.
Whether they choose rugby is up to them. I think if they can follow their dreams, from rugby to netball to hockey to cricket, there's so many options out there for girls, and I think if they can follow any pathway, whatever they choose, and if they have an absolute ball with it, it's totally awesome, and I think that's what I would love for them all. I'd love for them to play rugby, obviously. Blackfern Sevens, it's an awesome opportunity, but there's NRL, there's cricket, there's soccer, there's hockey. Go out there and make their dreams come true. Kira Williams atu I te reo irirangi o Moana, mā Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.